You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
All right, welcome back to Daytime Live. And now she's no stranger to the Daytime Live family. She's been away for a little time, right, doing what she loves most, the dancing. Speaking of none other than Neisha-Yen Jones, who is currently away in the UK in the capacity of associate choreographer, right, in the musical film Harder They Come. Neisha-Yen, go on.
Hello.
Hey,
Are you all right?
Yes, man. How are you? How has the experience been?
Cold.
Yeah.
It's been wonderful. The cast of the How Did They Come, they're all here. They're so amazing. Because the How Did They Come, I'm joined by two persons in the show, with everybody in the show. But we're going to be talking to Natey Jones.
Right.
Natey plays Ivan, who is Jimmy Cliff. And we have Aisha Davis, who is Elsa and cover.
Awesome.
With ensemble and cover Daisy. So first I'm going to talk to Natey. So as you guys in Jamaica know, lovely Sir Jimmy passed away recently.
Yes.
And Natey's here representing him in the How Do They Come every night. Natey, what is that like, knowing that Sir Jimmy Cliff is so iconic to all of us, all Jamaicans, everybody in the world, really, reggae, and you're playing him every night? What's that like?
It's an absolute honor. A responsibility, but an honor, and something that I really delve into and try and do my best. As we all know, the film is legendary.
Absolutely.
And he put in a legendary performance, and we just hope that we can do as a company the same in London.
That's so true. I know I have my favorite song that Natey performs, and I also have my favorite song of the show, but I'm going to put him on the spot and ask him, what's your favorite song to perform every night?
It changes. I don't know.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
What's it tonight? What's it going to be tonight?
The most amazing reaction is probably from the Harder They Come, obviously. And that's just me on stage performing the song. So it's kind of, I feel the responsibility to perform it. But Rebel in Me,
Really?
I do love.
That's a tune. I didn't think you was going to say that.
Sitting in Limbo, I love as well.
Okay.
But there's so many group songs like Many Rivers.
You just saying that.
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
Is it?
All right. What's your favorite?
My favorite. I really love watching Natey do the How Do They Come.
This is
every day.
Shanice with Elsa.
I love watching Natey do the How Do They Come every day. And I actually like singing Pressure Drops.
Pressure drop?
Go.
All right. So we're going to jump over here. Simon Anthony, what's your favorite?
My
He
favourite
does
song.
Shantytown in the show, by the way.
Yeah,
Awesome.
my favourite song's Shantytown, actually.
Yeah.
And what's the one that we do in the second act, actually? Where Shirt Them and Tear Up Girls and Sons.
Israelites.
Israelite.
Yeah.
Israelite. All right. So Aisha Davis, you know, Aisha's an artist in Jamaica. We know her. She's performed with Buju Banton. He performed with so many Bounty Killers. However, she's not artist here, so she is in the How Do They Come on stage every night. What is it like, that transition from artist at the front to being more in a group ensemble?
Well, I mean, I'm not a stranger to it because I did theatre in Jamaica anyway. So,
FYI.
Yeah, for FYI, I did musical theatre in Jamaica. I was a principal dancer in the Canca Dance Company. We got Lantern Signs. So I'm not a stranger to the stage. So coming here, it's just different because it's a bigger pond, and the talent here is immense,
Unmatched. Yeah.
So let me tell you, me coming from Jamaica, you know, us as Jamaicans, we're super talented. And when you come here and everybody else is just as super talented, you know, like, these are my people. Just so you know, that this is the first production that it's all Black people that I've been in, because the last one I was the only Black person. But this is family. Guys, seriously. I'm sorry that you guys can't be here to see, because this show is amazing. It's the cast, the choreography, the direction, the Harder They Come, the musical. Trust me.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
So,
I know.
guys, from Jamaica, So the Harder They Come is playing at the Stratford East Theatre. So all our owner people are yard and wanted to do, calling the people, everybody will live in England, and tell them say they need to come out and do the The Harder They Come, yeah. So we're not only just talking to Jamaicans though, because he's from St. Kitts and Nevis. We have some Trinidadians in the house. We have some.
Yeah, John.
It's a whole awesome, wonderful thing. So you guys want to come on down.
Yeah.
Powa, we're throwing it back to you.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. You guys should come to Jamaica. You know, do like a 2 week, 3 week type of stint, you know?
Ready?
Yes.
We're ready.
Ready. Yes, man. On the forward. All right. Thank you guys so much for speaking with us. All the best. I'm sure it will be great. It will continue to be great. That was Neisha-Yen Jones, one of our family members in the UK in the capacity of associate choreographer. Yes, she's a dancer. And that was the cast of the musical Harder They Come. More Daytime Live coming right after this. Don't go anywhere. Soon come.
See that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Caripest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Caripest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Caripest Limited. Protecting what matters.